Jatend migao mar tuke Kipchumba Murkomen owacho ni piny owacho koro ok bi chulo kocha mar Harambee Stars Firat osara kochakore sani. Murkomen mane lose boma Nairobi wacho ni winjruok nobedo e sama noketo koke orak ni ne nyaka oter Kenya tuke mag AFCON ma higa manyien. To kata kamano mano ne ok otimore. Harambee Stars pok oyudo loch e tuke 6 mokalo e bwo Firat, ka Murkomen wacho ni ok ginyal dhi nyime chulo kocha no. Nolero ni ogeno ni riwruok mar FKF dhi lando wach chungo e tij japuonj no bang' rem chopo winjruok mane giketo motelo.
In this ministry, there is a serious gap insofar as management of federations is concerned. And of course, I am aware that in the agreement of FKF with the coach was that if he doesn't qualify for the Africa Cup of Nations, that relationship is disengaged. And since we were the ones who are funding as a ministry, we will, upon the period being attained and the circumstances that have befallen the coach as a result of that first failing to qualify, of course, rather obvious that we will implement that section of the law, and we will not remit any further resources beyond the period that was agreed. And I have sat with some of these officials of I told them, guys, you may be a good man, but the industry does not believe in you any further. And for some, if you think that somebody else can do a better job, it's important to give them another chance and then contribute to your country in a different way, not necessarily by insisting that you must hold that particular office.